My friend bought a car from a platform that is very free, and most people don't know it. Others have it on their phones, but they don't care, or they don't mind, or they don't know exactly what it is all about. Last year, I also started using the same platform to advertise my services, to advertise my products, and to advertise my housings. So, today, this is the platform I'm bringing for you. You are going to love it. I know you have it on your phone. You've been having it day and night. You might have seen it or you might not have seen it, but it's very important. And guess what? The best part of it, it's free of charge. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine on Immaculate Show, as usual, the lady and the platform that says we hate poverty. Please never make poverty your friend. Never be there and say, leave me with my poverty. Never, never, never. That is the worst curse, the worst problem, or the worst thing that a friend or a relative can wish you to. So we are going to see this platform. This platform is called, what is it called? It's called Marketplace. Marketplace is the very biggest platform that is very competitive with other big platforms that you might know on this world. Marketplace is found on Facebook. Now that you've had Facebook, I know you're familiar with Facebook. I have Facebook. I know you have Facebook. Everybody around, Facebook is one of the platforms that is being used by billions of people in the whole world. So let's see what exactly this platform looks like. Do you have Facebook? You cannot access this platform when you don't have Facebook. Do you have Facebook? If you don't have Facebook, go to your Android phone, your iPhone, your gadgets, your laptop, and download Facebook profile. Here you're not going to have a lot of things. Most people say, I can go to Facebook because Facebook page is very complicated. Facebook group and what? No, we need your profile. You need only your profile if you don't have Facebook. Profile is the mother of Facebook page and groups. You cannot go to anything without your Facebook profile. So however much you're in Facebook page, Facebook group, or professional mode, it's the mother that matters a lot. So the moment you open up, you sign up, go and check on top there. You're going to see, like the one I'm showing you, you're going to see this platform. You're going to see this listing, like this house, there's the place for, like you can see heads of people, those are human beings. Then we have here, you can see a house, you can see like a laptop or a TV or a PC here. So how it is, this is how it will look like. So what you do, you just click on this one which shows like it's a house. This one is where you get Marketplace from. So the moment you open Marketplace, a lot of things are going to come, and this is what will come. What will come, you need to mind about it. In Facebook, in Marketplace, it's not very complicated. When you open Marketplace, you're going to see these things I've told you, and you can go ahead and click on. But before you click on that, let's see what is on the Marketplace. Let me show you. When you click on this Marketplace, you're going to see two icons on your interface. You're going to sell, then you're going to see categories. It depends on the gadget you have. Other gadgets like iPhone and others will use this. But for Android, you'll see sell and categories. Then down you'll see like today's picks. You'll see your location and that. Now what you do, you go, do you want to sell? This platform is for people who are selling and for people who are buying. As I told you, my friend bought a car on Marketplace. So if you want to sell something, go ahead and click on sell. The moment you click on sell, three items will come. It will tell you create new listing. It will show you items, vehicles, and homes for sale. So what do you want? If you want items, you can go and click there. Items, it's where you have maybe a bed sheet, a product, you go and open, put them there. So let's open it. The moment you open items, It is going to show you, you can see the interface like this. This is how it will look like. It will say listing on marketplace. So what you do, add your products, add your photos. You can add up to 10 photos. When you add them, you're expected to put title, you're expected to put price, you're expected to put category, you're expected to put conditions and description. What they mean condition, is it used, is it fairly used, or it is new? That's what they mean. Then when you go to description, you talk about your product. When we talk about the product, for example, if you put a bed sheet, a pair of bed sheet, you are going to describe how it is. It has different colors, it has different sizes, and is it fairly used or it is new? You can even go ahead and put location and from the description. That's how you're going to get the market from there. Now, in nutshell, let us move away from the listing. Now we go to categories. When you want to go to categories, there are very many things. Here it's where you're going to see buy and sell groups, local listings, saved items, very many categories. You'll find like vehicles, rentals, women clothing, shoes, and other things. So what the gist of this platform is, you can be there for free. You can sell for free. No matter what you have, you can sell it for free. I've used it. What I do, I go and put sell for rentals. Then when I have items from my shop or from other people's shops, I also use it. Don't say I didn't tell you. Don't be there and feel uncomfortable. This platform is free. So go there, run there, post your items there. The only thing I advise you, where the challenge will come, people will call you who want their products. So the moment they call you, is it easier for you to get these products you've bought? They should be accessible. And if they are not accessible, go ahead and tell them maybe it's from affiliate links. Even if you give them your affiliate links, they will buy and you'll get money. Hope that I'm communicating. What do you think? Do you think if you're on Facebook, you cannot use this and gain some money? I feel you can use it and gain some money. I feel so. I've used it. There are a lot of nice cars you can see. You can scroll and see a lot of cars there. The items you want are there. Only what you need to be open to yourself and to your customers. If you know the products you're putting there are from other shops, tell them. There are some shops, there are some products you not access before you buy them. So do you want to buy them with your money and go to show them? What if they don't buy? And what if, you know, there are a lot of what ifs. And also, what if the people you're meeting, you don't know them, of course? Because, guys, there are a lot of challenges that are involved, anticipated challenges that you're going to get while dealing with the marketplace. One, your products, you need to have the products at hand. Because if someone calls you that, bring for me this product, most people want to see the product. So, if you've gotten the product from affiliate links, that would be a challenge. But I recommend you to go ahead and be open, be true to yourself and your customers. Tell them this is from a link and give them a link. Even if they buy from that link, you are going to earn from there. Then if you have the products at hand, go ahead, show them the products and be genuine to them. However, there will be a challenge, just meeting new people, new faces that you don't know. There's also another challenge of movement from here and there. But you can use courier. There is delivery all over now on the nations. You can use that. So I don't think that we should fail to sell our items. I know there are some of us that didn't know what a marketplace is. A marketplace is free of charge. It is one of the biggest market that is competing now with other big markets. But be free to drop your things there, whether you're a social media person or you're not a social media person. I've sold there and I still do it, because the moment you put apartments, everybody will run for them. The moment you put clothing, people are there. I told you, my friend bought a car from there. So if you can't use Facebook page, you can't use others, at least you can use your profile to make money. Thank you very much. If this has been helpful for you, please go and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget, we fight poverty. Don't forget, we hate poverty. undo it.